Welcome to Supply Chain Management. What is a supply chain? Well, supply chain management, according to the definition from IBM, supply chain management is the handling of the entire production flow of a good or service, starting from the raw components all the way to delivering the final product to the consumer. To accomplish this task, a company will create a network of suppliers, the link in the chain that move the product along the suppliers of raw materials to the organizations who deal directly with users. Basic supply chain management. It consists of three entities. The first, distributor, producer, and a consumer. Three of them link together with different kinds of flows. For example, the primary product flow, raw material to the producer, and to the consumer again. Thus, from the consumer, from right to the left, the cash flows and the information flow are among these three entities. Reject product will be on the reverse product flow. In the supply chain management in manufacturing, different suppliers will contribute to another suppliers. Their product will be sent to the manufacturer, processed, and shipped by the shipper or the distributor to the consignee. Supply chain management in services. Services industry also consists of supply chain management. For example, water provider, legal advisor, real estate, construction, and the government. Supply chain management can be divided into vertical supply chain management and horizontal supply chain management. In the vertical supply chain management, for instance, a company consists of all the chains from the upstream to the downstream. For instance, the wheat field produce wheat and carry on the process in the flour mills, then the fleet ship the flour to the retailer or the bakery, then to the consumer. In the horizontal supply chain management, for instance, a company produces household appliances in first, then it open another industry or scope which is related to the horizontal supply chain management. For instance, food industry, skincare products, and the industrial usage chemicals. So the difference of vertical supply chain management and the difference of horizontal supply chain management. In the vertical, it strengthens its supply chain, reduces its production costs, capture upstream and downstream profit, access downstream distribution channels. In the horizontal, it increases its size, diversify its product or service, achieve economies of scale, and reduce the competition, and also to gain access to new customers of the same market. Finally, I want to introduce the stages of supply chain management. It consists of 4 stages, also included the stage 0, which is stable. From stable, it becomes the multi-functions and a semi-functional enterprise, then the integrated enterprise. Finally, with the best interconnected, well-linked in an enterprise is the extended enterprise. Thank you for you to watching this video.